Okay, we are here at Legendary Lead Company's warehouse, and we recently had the discovery of some additional 8416 leads that were in containers marked MS, which was Mark Sense leads. These were what was formulated for Duralite back in the 60s for old OCR cards. So I thought it would be fun to open up this case and see what we have inside. I'm really hoping this is another good juicy batch of stuff. Alright. You did a really good job packaging your stuff. So, here we are. This is fresh, probably from the 60s. Most of these are dated. So let's take a look here. They packaged these in boxes of 2. Makes it kind of a pain in the neck here to get these open. Okay. So, here we are. A fresh box. Each of these typically contained 25 gross. And we have, it's not batch 8416, it is batch 81-2. That typically means this was made in 1981. It was the second batch off the line that year. So, to see what these look like. Find a good piece of paper. Very nice. I'm going to try to do this one-handed here. We'll load up one of my trusty Eversharps. See what this stuff does. Break off a little piece. Should have had the pencil ready before I started. Okay. Oh, this is some nice stuff. Nice dark line. Oops. Had it advanced too far out. Get a little bit more out. I think you'll like this stuff. I'll be packaging this up in the near future. It's a little different from the 8416. It's got just a little bit more bite to it. But very dark, very smooth. Okay, coming soon from Legendary Lead.